Lows in the...
There it is. Oh, that one activated. Cool. Cool, this one activated too.
The preceding was a test of the National Weather Service warning alarm tone.
This one also activated.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and/or warnings affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order.
This thing activated.
This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. Here is your forecast for Rockford and surrounding communities.
I'm surprised this thing activated. This thing usually has a hard time activating, I guess, for the tests on the week, because I don't know what's wrong with it. Maybe it's just because it's a 12262. I've heard they don't always activate, but maybe not, I don't know. I didn't have this thing on because, well, the audio was really bad when I turned it on earlier.
Near record-breaking warmth likely.
But this thing activated, this thing activated. That thing also activated.
10 to 20 miles per
And this thing did too, surprisingly.
Thursday night, clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy.
Anyway, well,
Lows in the lower 50s.
required
South
weekly
winds
test.
10 to 20 miles per hour. For Friday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper